This is TCL 40SE, and today I will show how you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, onward go for the Connections category, and in here simply open the data usage page. The topmost value is the general amount of cellular data you have used through the currently active period of time, which is 30 days. Then if you would like to see your detailed statistics of the mobile data usage, go for the mobile data usage section over here. On the other hand, if you would like to see your Wi-Fi usage, go for the Wi-Fi data usage, obviously. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.